welcome back to my channel. This is Tara with Mayhem Crafty Cards, and if you can see this case, you know what that means. There is a new Sparkle Blends release available now at the Etsy site, which I will make sure I leave linked down below. You'll be able to see which ones are my favorites because I ordered a lot of my favorites. So the first one we have is Clearly in Love. So you guys know I am a sucker for the clear blends. Before I do that, let's just look at that awesomeness. So I'm going to pour them in my buddy bowl here so you guys can get a better look at what's in this mix. So, as you can see, let me see if I can get focus. Focus. There are these big hearts, these big clear hearts. Which are super fun to add to cards, especially Valentine's cards. There's a lot of iridescent, a lot of different shapes. So there are some of these little scallop ones. You have these little hearts. These are probably my favorite ones. These like hollow looking ones. And then you have some with the glitter on them. And then you have these little tubey ones, which are very iridescent. So that is my favorite blend so far, and it's probably because my camera does not like all this shimmer. However, I do. Okay, so that was Clearly in Love, and these do come in a bundle kit. Now I ordered 2 extra of the Clearly in Love on top of what was in the bundle because I use my clear Sparkle Blends more than I use any other ones, and I don't know why, I just gravitate more towards those clear ones. I think because it gives you, you know, whatever look you're going for, it kind of meshes with that without being too super busy. So I was not joking when I said I ordered 2 more extra of the Sparkle Blends in the clear as I'm throwing them. So yeah, these are available now over at the Sparkle Blends Etsy shop. So the next one, now I also ordered 2 extras of these too. Let me get this guy out of here. I love putting them in this bowl so you guys can see what the blends look like. This one is called Hot Cocoa, and I love this because look at these little marshmallows. Look how stinking cute. So you can do these, you know, for cocoa, coffee, pretty much anything. I mean, who doesn't love these little marshmallows? So there's these little round caviar beads. You have some that are just, you know, just a traditional sparkle. You have some square. You have the ones that have the spirals in them. Geez, my words are not working today. It's just a nice, good coffee mix. I really like the browns that are in here because it's not like overpowering the blend. So that one is Hot Cocoa, and I did order 2 more of those because I, you know, make a lot of coffee cards. So let's get these guys back in here. So can you tell already which ones are my favorite? There's one that I did not order an extra of, and I can kick myself. I mean, I'm going to order it anyways. And I'll show you guys that one in just a minute. See if I can get all these picked up. So the next one I have is Shamrock. I love this green mix. I don't know about you guys, but I love a good green. And this is so, you can use this for so many things. Like, I see this as like a springy color, but, you know, like I said, you can use this for anything. So it's got those shards in it, which I love. You got the spirals. I don't know if you guys can see that teeny tiny, oh, focus. Well, I'll have to pick him up if I can. There's a little tiny shamrock. There's silver, it looks like, yeah, silver and gold in there. I don't know if you guys can see that. For some reason, my camera is not wanting to focus today. Let me grab my crystal katana and I can pick those up. This is probably like my hands down favorite tool because I use this when I did nails. Oh, and then you can see the, well, I can't think of the word. But there's a little shamrock. And it's still not wanting to focus. I'm sorry guys, some of these up close ones are blurry. Okay, so that's Shamrock. So you have these huge glitter ones. You have these little green ones. You have some blue sparkle. And see, I'm already kicking them out. That one's a flower. So I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me see if I can pick them up. And you're not going to be able to see because for some reason it's just not wanting to focus today. This is the second video I've done where it didn't want to focus. But you have these ones here that look like little, oh, they remind me of like little fans. But they're not, I mean, obviously they're not fans. But you have a good mix of greens, golds. You know, you have some blue in there. And then you have the little shamrocks and then the little flowers as well. So that one was Shamrock. Okay, so the next one we have is called Love Struck. No. Just don't get the focus today. This is such a sweet mix for Valentine's Day. I would even use this for Easter too because the colors are so soft. So you have these little cherubs. How stinking cute are these guys? Just little itty bitty cherubs. Okay, I think I fixed it, guys. So you have these little cherubs. You have these little flowers here. And then you have these ones that have little holes in them, which I really like. I mean, it's something different. It's not the same as any other mix. You have those little stars. You have these tiny little tiny little flowers. And then you have, you know, I want to say there's like a hot pink in this mix. And you have another one of those hearts, these clear hearts. And then you also have these flowers. Let me pick one up here. Look at that. Look how stinking cute that is. So yeah, this one is called Love Struck. And it just has a nice, you know, pinky, romantic-y feel to it. Haha, there's a red heart in here too. I knew there was another one. So there's the big red heart right here. So yeah, that one is called Love Struck. And then, dun, 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 the next one is super cute. I mean, they're all cute. I can't say anything. I love all my sparkle blends. I don't use any other embellishments anymore, which is kind of crazy to me because I am an embellishment junkie. I love having, they're just so pretty to look at. Now, I have to use them. Like, I have to make sure that I'm using these so that way I can make beautiful cards for everybody. The Valentine's Day coming up, like, this is such a good mix. So the next one we have is It's a Party. This one is fun. This would be perfect for birthday cards. Or, yeah, I see it as more of birthday cards. So here we have the birthday cakes. We have like the little confetti pieces. And then you have a party hat. And they're all in different colors. Like, oh, here's a balloon. So you have a good mix of, you know, fun little shapes to put in here. And it's just a really nice, like, there's another balloon. A really nice neutral palette to work with. So if you have like a super vibrant card, you can, you know, pick and choose which ones you want. Or if you have a card that's more subdued, you know, you could use some of the more brighter, you know, balloons and stuff. So that one was It's a Party. I'm actually getting better at dumping all my stuff in here, guys. So the next one, now this one was also a collab with Sassy and Crafty, but this is called Rainbowtastic. Guess. There we go. So this is exactly what it sounds like. A fun rainbow mix. And look at this guy. This is probably like my favorite one out of this whole mix. But you have rainbows, you have little caviar beads, you have this guy right here, which is, you know, like a little color wheel. You do have a color wheel in here as well. You have these cute square rainbows. I mean, this is like a rainbow has thrown up in my bunny bowl. And that is okay because it's all goodness. So yeah, Rainbowtastic is, you know, It's fantastic. But you have a lot of different shapes in here too. You got the squares. You know, you have these ones that they're not polka dot, but they kind of look like they're polka dot, but they're really shimmery. And you guys can see on my camera like how shimmery, or how, you know, how much they stand out. Just being, even just being in my bunny bowl all mixed together. So this, you have different shape, you know, size rainbows. So that one was Rainbowtastic. So yeah, it's just a fun mix. I'm sorry if you guys can hear my dog in the background. Every time I film a video, there's something. She's either drinking water, or right now she's sneezing. The next one is Mardi Gras beads. This is a fun mix. This, it's straight out of, I mean, it looks just like Mardi Gras in a blend. So look at those fun colors. So we have some gold, some green, some purples, some gold glitter, some purple glitter, some green glitter, and then we have these ones that have like the little holes in them, which I love. More caviar beads. You got some shards, which you guys know I love, love, love those shards. You have some more of these pieces, which for the life of me, I can't remember what they're called. But it is a good fun mix. And you don't necessarily even have to use, you know, this on one card. You can pull them apart. You know, take some from this blend and that blend and mix them all together. So that was Mardi Gras beads. Mardi Gras beads. And as you guys can see on the top of my containers, I do label them with my label maker with the name and what year they came out, because I need to keep track. So this one is Easter eggs, and this one is so cute. It's, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So this one and another one I needed to order backups of, because I know these ones are going to sell out fast. So this is Easter eggs, and look at these little Easter eggs. And then you have little Easter bunnies, some flowers, some like little leaves. But look at those Easter bunny and eggs. How stinking cute are those? And you have the flowers in here. Oh, there's some carrots. Got some carrots as well. Because, you know, Bunny has to have his carrots. But this is just such a fun mix. I really, really, really like this one. And I could kick myself for not ordering a backup of it. But look at these little eggs. Look how stinking cute they are. So this would be perfect for a spring birthday. You know, obviously an Easter card. But you can do so many things with this. And you can pick out so many pieces. You know, say if you didn't want the flowers, or you didn't want the Easter eggs, which, who doesn't want the Easter eggs? They're so cute. You could always pick those out and, you know, use the other parts of the blend. So, down to the last one. And I saved this one for last for a very specific reason. Because I wanted to order another one of these, and I didn't. This is called Love Letters. And it is fantastic. How this did not make extras in my cart, I don't know. Look at this. Look at these envelopes with the little hearts. And there's different sizes. So you have like this big size here, and then you have these little envelopes here. And then you have such a, I want to say, sophisticated mix of these reds and iridescent and, you know, some blacks in here. I just feel like this is going to be, this is such an elegant mix to add to any card. And you have the fun, playful side with the envelopes. This would be great for anniversaries, Valentine's, Sweetest Day. I mean, you can literally give these any time of the year. And I cannot wait to use this. So this is called Love Letters, and I will be ordering backups of this. So that is all that I have for you guys right now. Now there's going to be a live tomorrow in the Sparkle Blends fan club, I believe. If not the fan club, it's going to be on Doodle's Paper Playgrounds page on Facebook. So Allison will be sharing some cards, and then next week we get to see the new February release. Can't wait. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what your favorite blends were. My video schedule's coming up, and I feel so bad that I haven't uploaded in a while, but you know, life is life and things get busy. So let me know what you guys think of these blends. Let me know what your favorite one was, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.